Mag bulb. This compact and handy device allows you to replace a bulb in one movement, making the replacement process much faster and safer. Mag bulb uses the same principle as magnetic adapters for charging devices. A base with a magnetic inlet is screwed into the lamp, while the other part is screwed into the base of the bulb, allowing you to put them together in a single movement. Thanks to the use of neodymium magnets and bronze connectors, the adapters provide reliable contact and are completely safe. It is worth noting that the magnetic adapter is compatible with all types of lamps and luminaries. The cost of the device is $15. Vortex. This simulator recreates the physical sensations of the virtual environment during a video game or a movie. This is possible by creating air currents of different intensity and temperature. This allows the user of the simulator to feel the cold, heat, or wind, as well as changes in the weather conditions of the virtual world. Thanks to its shape and size, Vortex resembles a standard loudspeaker. You can connect it to any PC and install it on the table next to the monitor. Using a unique technology, Vortex analyzes audio and video streaming in real time to simulate the right environment. You can buy this interesting gadget for $120. Quartz. Unlike other reusable bottles on the market, this one can maintain the temperature of the liquid and kill bacteria that accumulate in the container over time. It uses a built-in ultraviolet lamp that kills all microorganisms in the water. To start the cleaning mode, simply press the button on the bottle cap. After activation, the lamp will light for 1 minute and repeat the cleaning cycle every 4 hours. You can recharge the device with a micro USB cable, and after charging, it can operate autonomously for up to a month. Thanks to the heat-insulated walls, Quartz works also as a thermos. It preserves heat for 12 hours and cold during the day. The volume of the bottle is 525 milliliters, and its value is $60. Ludicase. Externally, this device is almost identical to a traditional phone case. The gadget, made of durable polycarbonate, reliably protects your smartphone from scratches and possible damage from falling from a considerable height. On the back of the box, there are several playful elements, including 3 knobs and a rotating disc in the middle. A relief area and 3 metal balls are located on the underside of the rear panel for you to play with your fingers. In addition, Ludicase has its own application which complements the playful functions. The price of this gadget is $20. Sight. The creators of this gadget have shown that virtual reality technologies can be used not only for entertainment purposes. Its new development, which is based on augmented reality technology and computer vision algorithms, will help visually impaired people navigate better in space and live without a cane or a guide dog. Sight can adjust to the specific characteristics of each user and improve visual signals, increasing image contrast, brightness, and other parameters needed to perceive the surrounding reality. The developers have not yet revealed the price of this innovative development. String bike. The main feature of this futuristic bike is the total absence of a chain. According to the designer's concept, the bicycle wheel moves using several strings. When the pedals are pushed, the strings stretch, alternately rolling and unrolling on the pulleys on either side of the rear axle. The balance of the system provides a smoother ride and greater efficiency, and the string bike can go much faster than a normal bike. In addition, the motion is silent, with the exception of the tire creaking when in contact with the asphalt. The bike is equipped with a 19-speed gear system that can be activated during the ride. Manufacturers offer 4 different versions, which differ in weight, wheel diameter, and design. In its simplest version, this bike will cost you $1,000. Swim. This sports gadget is kind of a Google Glass analog, intended for use in swimming pools. These swimming goggles with a built-in projection screen are equipped with a small unit that sits on the user's temple and reads the heart rate during training. In addition to the pulse, the glasses also record and send to the screen the time of each lap in the pool, the calories burned, the duration of training, and information on 20 other conditions. The Zwim battery lasts 4 hours, and after training, the device automatically synchronizes with the smartphone and transfers all collected data to a special application. You can buy these smart glasses for $200. Bell. This gadget, similar to a portable speaker, is capable of synchronizing music playback through different brands of speakers, achieving high-quality surround sound. Bell can connect 6 wireless speakers simultaneously regardless of their size, Bluetooth protocol, or manufacturer. Thanks to an NFC module, the devices synchronize automatically when they're at a close distance. In addition to the controller function, Bell also has 2 wideband speakers and a 5-inch subwoofer, allowing you to use the device as a separate speaker system. The standard version of this column will cost $250, but you can buy a model with less power for $220. Alien earbuds. These waterproof wireless headphones stand out for their availability and economical price compared to similar devices. They also come with a charging case that allows you to store and recharge your headset when you're not wearing it. One charge of the battery guarantees 4.5 hours of operation. The main feature of this device is the graphene membrane loudspeakers that provide high-quality sound. Thanks to 3 different sized nozzles, the headphones can be comfortably placed in the ear and completely isolate external noise. To control playback, the creators have added touch panels as well as a microphone with a vertical layout to answer calls even in noisy places. The cost of these wireless headphones is $90. .360 Fly. This action camera with a 360-degree viewing angle lets you take high-quality videos and photos in panoramic mode. The device is equipped with a wide-angle lens, and the built-in memory is enough to record several hours of video in maximum quality. At the same time, the fully charged battery guarantees at least 2 hours of continuous work. 360 Fly has all the features of an action camera, including the possibility of attaching it to a helmet and various surfaces and being waterproof. In addition, the manufacturer provides synchronization of the camera with the computer using a magnetic charger. The minimum cost for such a camera is $300. Guys, it's time to recharge your brain. Visit the channel Brain Time. There you'll find a lot of interesting and useful facts, lots of positive energy, and tons of useful information. Subscribe right now. We promise it's going to be really exciting.